I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us explore application of primary trigonometric ratios to solve some application problems. A plane takes off in a straight line and travels along this line for 10 seconds, reaching the height of 300 meters. If the plane is traveling at 60 meters per second, at what angle of elevation is the plane ascending? So let's make a neat sketch to understand the question. Let's say that's the ground and plane takes off in a straight lines from here. Let's say it takes off like this for 10 seconds, right? Reaching a height of 300 meters. Let's say at this position it is 10 seconds and the height attained by the plane is 300 meters, right? So time is 10 seconds. If the plane is traveling 60 meters per second, so we are given velocity or speed of plane as 60 meters per second, at what angle of elevation is the plane ascending? Let's say this angle of elevation be alpha. Okay, now we need to find this angle of elevation. We are already given the opposite side. Knowing opposite side and almost the hypotenuse, since this forms a right triangle, correct? We can use sine of alpha to find the solution. Now, in 10 seconds, how much distance is the plane going to cover? Distance, let's draw the triangle, distance, speed and time, right? So that is distance, speed, time, triangle. So distance, speed and time. So from here we know that distance is speed into time, in our case velocity, v into time, right? So we can calculate distance from here. So now distance will be velocity of 60 meters per second and time is 10 seconds. Time is 10 seconds, right? 10 and 10 cancel and we get a distance of 600 meters. 600 meters. So this distance from here to here will be 600 meters. It's kind of important here to find the distance with given time and velocity. Now it is a right triangle where we know the opposite side and the hypotenuse. We need to find the angle and we can find the angle using sine of angle, right? So we get sine, right? Sine of angle alpha is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite side is 300 and hypotenuse is 600, that is half, right? And angle alpha can be calculated using sine inverse, right? So sine inverse of 0.5 or half, we can use the calculator and find the value. So second function, sine inverse of 0.5 equals to 30 degrees. So we get an angle of 30 degrees. So that is the angle of elevation, right? And so we know the answer, that angle of elevation, remember angle of elevation is with the horizontal, right? So angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Thank you.